Balloon Sunflower Tutorial. Prepare a 12-inch tail balloon and a modeling balloon. 25-inch balls, 10 10-inch balls. A 12-inch tail balloon inflated to 23 centimeters. Tie the nozzle with a 260 balloon. Connect the tail to the nozzle using a balloon strip. Tie a knot at the tail end. Wrap around the balloon body, give a half twist, and tie a knot. Inflate two 5-inch balloons to 10 centimeters and tie them together in pairs. 25-inch balloons to make 10 groups. Next, clip 10 groups of 5-inch balloons onto the balloon strip. Make sure each group of balloons is packed close together. Reposition slightly. Two 10-inch round latex balloons inflated to 15 centimeters in diameter. Tie the balloons in pairs. Complete 5 sets. Rotate the 10-inch balloon one full circle around the 5-inch balloon. Alternate a cluster of 5-inch balloons with a cluster of 10-inch balloons. Repeat this step 5 times. Your balloon sunflower is done.